Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to display this pattern. See, whenever we are printing the pattern, each row we are printing. Each row. This is first row, second, third, fourth and fifth. Look at this. Each row starting with the same value or different value. It's a different value. So that value you just consider in one variable, and each row ending with the same value 5 5 5 5 5. So each row ending with the same value we are printing using J. So each row starting with a different value and each row ending with the same value. But look at this, whenever you are printing each row, in each row values are increasing or decreasing, you need to understand. In each row values are increasing. So j less than or equals to 5, j plus plus. Now you need to consider what is I. I in the first row 5, in the second row 4, in the third row 3. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For I starting with 5, I greater than or equals to 1, I minus minus, that is. And here, whenever you are printing, j value we are printing, the values, after completion of row, you need to send the control to the next line. You know this skeleton, just system.out.println. This is the simple way of printing this pattern. Hope you understood. Please follow us.